Hello everyone. Now, after posting the videos of question number 1 of worksheet 3, today I am going to demonstrate how to construct the questions of worksheet 3, question number 2, part number 1, 2 and 3 in this video. And as I have already guided you that this construction deals with two adjacent sides and three angles. So ABCD quadrilateral is to be constructed as given in the question. AB is 4 centimeter, BC 4 centimeter, angle A is 70 degree and angle B 80 degree and angle C 90 degree. One thing I would like to tell you that here 90 degree only will be made with compass. Rest angles will be made with the help of protractor. So I am making a rough sketch of the same. AB line segment, if I take, I need A and B angles. So these are there. If I take BC as base, I need B and C angles. Those are also there. I need not to apply the angle sum property. So I am making the rough sketch. See here, I have taken AB 4 centimeter. Then on point A, we need to make 70 degree with the help of protractor. It will be made. It will come like this. Angle A 70 degree. And angle B will be 80 degree. It will come slightly inwards this way. This is 80 degree. Then BC is given 4 centimeter. Here we will cut 4 centimeter BC. And on point C, angle of 90 degree will be made with the help of compass. So this way 90 degree will come, and this is point D. C angle is of 90 degree, and this is the rough sketch of this construction. This construction is comparatively easy than question number 1, which we have already done. So let's start. First of all, we will take AB 4 centimeter. So I have kept the scale, and now 0, and this is 4. 4 centimeter line segment as AB has been taken. Right here 4 centimeter. Now on point A, you need to make 70 degree C. On the left side, I am making the angle of 70 degree. I have kept the protractor. This is the dot. This protractor's dot should be here, and this line should overlap this line segment AB. So keep it properly this way. Now 70 degree is this. So you can mark a dot here on 70 degree and extend this line this way. This is arrow. On point B, we are to make 80 degree angle. So I have kept the protractor here at point B. यहाँ पे this way. After keeping the protractor here, 80 degree will not be taken this side. It will not come outwards. This will be 80 degree this way. So you can extend this way 80 degree. At point B, we have made 80 degree. Now BC is 4 centimeter. So I am opening the compass equal to 4 centimeter. This way it is opened 4 centimeter. Keep the compass tip on point B and draw an arc. Name here C, and this is 4 centimeter. At point C, you are supposed to make 90 degree. So compass tip here. This way you are to take an arc. From here, you may cut from here also. This 60 and this 120. Keeping the compass tip on 60, arc. Keeping the compass tip on 120, another arc. Right? You may extend the arc this way. Now both the arcs are intersecting each other. Extend this line and join this way. If you wish, you may extend this line further also this way. This point, particular point, will be D point. And this angle is 90 degree. Angle A is of 70 degree. I have done labeling everywhere. So you can see A, B, C, D is the required quadrilateral. So we will write the result. ABCD is the required quadrilateral. I hope the construction is understood to all of you. So do the construction stepwise with the steps explained in the video. Now we need to construct PQRS quadrilateral. PQ is given 5. So angle P is also there, Q is also there. If I take base QR, then angle Q and angle R both are available. So we need not to apply angle sum property of quadrilaterals. I am drawing the rough sketch. By estimate, I have taken this PQ as 5 centimeter. Angle P is 100 degree, that will be made with the help of protractor. It will come like this, 100 degree. At point Q we will make 80 degree. It will come slightly inwards, 80 degree. Then QR we will cut here equal to 5 centimeter. And at point R we will make 100 degree angle. So it will come this way. And this is the rough sketch. Using the rough sketch, you can make fair sketch, fair construction easily. Because the rough sketch gives you the clear idea how to construct the quadrilateral. So let's start. PQ is 5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. You need to do labeling also side by side. Now at point P you need to make 100 degree. I have kept the protractor properly this way. And now 100 degree, this is 90. 100 will come slightly outwards here. This is 100 degree. And you need to extend this line this way. So this is 100 degree angle. And at point Q you need to make 80 degree. Keep the protractor this way properly in proper position. This is 80 degree. 80 degree will not come outwards. It will come inwards ऐसे करके this way. So extend this line further. This is 80 degree. Labeling to be done side by side. And now QR is to be taken 5 centimeters. So open compass equal to 5 centimeter. Keep compass tip on Q. This is an arc. This is R point. And this is 5 centimeter. At point R, you need to make 100 degree angle with protractor. So see, you need to keep the protractor in the proper position. Here I have kept. And 100 degree will be where? Inwards or outwards? It will be outwards. This is 100 degree. So you can mark a dot on 100 degree. This way. It has come here. And now you need to join. This is joined. This is PQR. This was in rough sketch S point. Here is S point. This is 100 degree. So all things are labeled. Now you need to write the result. In result we will write ABCD is the required quadrilateral. ABCD is the required quadrilateral. Now after this second part, I am going to do the third part of the question number 2. So see third part. ABCD is to be constructed. Here side AB is given 5 centimeter, BC is given 4 centimeter. If I take base AB, I have A and B angle. If I take base BC, I have B and C angles. So I am drawing the rough sketch of the same. See, I have taken here AB in the form of rough sketch 5 centimeter. At point A, there will be 80-degree angle. With protractor, it will be drawn. It will come this way. At point B, 90-degree. You can draw it with compass. This will come 90-degree. Then BC 4 centimeter. You will cut an arc here. 4 centimeter. At point C, you need to make 100-degree. It will come like this. D point. C point, C angle is 100-degree. So this is a rough sketch. So let's do the fair construction. First, you need to take AB 5 centimeter. This is AB 5 centimeter. At AB, you can here label AB. At point A, you need to make 80-degree. 80-degree will be made with the help of protractor. This way. So 80 is this inwards. Extend this line as per the requirement. And this angle A is of 80-degree. At point B, you are to make 90 degrees. So I have taken the compass. This is an arc. This is 60-degree angle. 60-degree arc. This is 120-degree arc. From 60 and then from 120. Now you need to extend it like this. This is 90-degree. And BC, you know that it is 4 centimeter. So open up the compass equal to 4 centimeter. Keeping the compass tip on B, draw an arc of 4 centimeter. This is C point. So BC is 4 centimeter. At point C, 100-degree angle as we have made in the previous question. Keep this protractor in proper position. Right, 100-degree outwards this way. So join. This way it will come. If you wish, you can extend. If you do not wish, leave here only. This is point D. And this is 100-degree. So labeling is also done. AB is 5 centimeter. Result, ABCD is the required quadrilateral. So we have completed worksheet 2 of chapter number 12, construction of quadrilaterals. For better understanding of other constructions of worksheet 1 and 2, you can refer to the previous videos, and you can get the previous videos if you subscribe the channel. Dear everyone, I just wish to share this journey of making the videos. I have started making this channel and sharing the videos just to help out the students who do not wish to go to the tuitions and want to study in their home without any disturbance. So it takes great hard work and devotion and dedication for making these videos. I request you that you must appreciate if you like the videos. So like, comment and share the link of the channel and get the channel subscribed by number of students. Thank you.